are the employment benefit when you work in the Netherlands? In the Netherlands, you will get 27 days vacation leave per year. But normally, guys, the employer in the Netherlands will only give you 20 days standard required vacation days plus 7 days extra given by the company. Some companies, they will give you only 25. And there are companies, for example, in construction, like that, they're giving you at least 38 vacation days per year. That's what we call vacation money. So this is 8% of your monthly salary times is your vacancy geld, vacation money, and you will receive it every month of the May. Okay, but always pay attention, guys, that it's a bit weird for me that this vacation money, you created it, you build it out of your salary, and after that the tax is like 40%, guys. So for example, your vacation money is 3,000, just for example only, you will only get, like, for example, 50% or 40%. Second is also a pension. So this pension, guys, is paid by employer and also by you. So there is a share of your employer, and of course there is also a share of you in your salary. Once you're employed here, guys, you will be insured. Okay, so you will be insured in the UWV agency. Okay, now this agency is connected to your social security, that once you lose your job, you will automatically entitled with unemployment benefits. And okay, guys, this unemployment benefit is 70 to 75% of your last salary, okay, from your last employer. But guys, this also bound with obligation and responsibilities. Okay, if you are in an employment benefits, you have to do some certain task, obligation, and responsibility while you are getting this one. Okay, so you have some application, job application. You also have to go to UWV meeting, stuff like that. For the interview, they have to ask you things